Hi, this is Mrs. Holmes here to teach you how to do the emoji project. First, from my website, you're going to need to click the emoji web page. While you're waiting for that to load, go to the Start button and open Microsoft Word. You might need to go to All Programs, scroll down to the yellow folder for Microsoft Office, and find the blue W for Microsoft Word. Let Microsoft Word open and you can toggle back and forth between the internet and Microsoft Word. Now that I'm on the internet, I want you to notice that there are hundreds of different Apple emojis that you can pick from. Think about the ones that best describe your book and will help your viewer figure out the book. Don't make it too challenging. You can use as many emojis as you want. What I want you to notice is that at the bottom of the Apple emojis, there's actually a list of even more emoji options. Ones from Samsung phones, LG phones, Facebook, and Instagram. Sometimes these emojis have different options than the Apple, even though the Apple has the most options. We're going to use the same skills you practiced for getting a picture from the internet for your project. You're going to right click the emoji you want to use. Then in your Word document, you're going to hold Control and bop the letter V for van. Watch how I do it. I'm going to roll my mouse over the emoji and right click. Remember, that's the one that you usually do with your middle finger. Once I right click, something like copy image, maybe copy picture will pop up. You're putting the picture into the computer's memory. Now, what you want to do is click on the blue W and make sure your cursor is where you want it to be. Go back to your internet and don't go back to your internet, but I want to show you using Control and V, you want to, on the keyboard, paste the emoji into your document. There it is. I don't think you need to make it bigger or smaller because you will run out of room. But now I can go back to my internet and do it again. Find the next emoji in your book's story. Right click, copy image. Go back to your Microsoft Word. On your keyboard, hold Control and bop letter V. Once you have your emojis, you can play around with the size. Please do not make it longer than one page. I can tell if it's more than one page if I scroll down and it goes on to page 2. You can go ahead and save your document, file, save as, and give it a name. And then when you're finished, you can print one copy. This is what we'll use to share with each other to see if we can figure out what book you did for your emoji challenge. Feel free to ask a neighbor or an expert, rewatch this video, or ask Mrs. Holmes for help.